In this video I'm going to show you how to use Taskation to create a quote document to send to a client using projects and using the templating system. So the first thing that we have is we upload a sample quote template. So that's stored in the system, and this is the one that I'm using, which is a fairly simple document format. So we've got these template fields, and I'll show you where you can find all those in a second. We've got a long text field as well, and I'll show you how that works. So this is a docx file, and it gets uploaded to the system on this screen here, and so we've called it sample quote template. And the other thing that we have is text templates. So we have this concept of a long text template. So the quote template looks something like this, and these are all the fields that you can add, and these work for these text templates and also for the document templates. So that you can see the fields here, and basically this text template ends up getting dropped in this place here within our document. So let's go ahead and show how that works. So we've got a project open here which is in the status of lead. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some items to the project. So we're going to add some consultancy work, and we're going to add some materials. So these are set up as project item lookups, we call them, which is maybe a bit of a clunky name, but you can see we've got these there that we can add. So I'm going to go and I've added these two, and we've got some standard pricing in there. We're just going to make that consultancy 5 rather than 1. We'll save that. And then we're back into the project. You see that we've got the sale price has been multiplied up, and you can see that we've got the project value and the gross profit have been updated here. So then we're going to go in the project here. We're going to go to quote text, and we're just going to select this quote template that we talked about. So you can see that populates. So if we go back in here, we can see that all of those little placeholders have been populated with the actual values from the project here. So we've got our quote essentially, and we can edit this as well. So we could say we look forward to working with you, and we can save that quote text. Okay, so next thing we're going to then do is we're going to go into Documents tab, and we can either upload a document here, or we can use our template. So we can select the quote template, and if I click the don't attach, then it won't create an attachment, so it will just download it as a one-off, but we're going to create that. So we can now see that's been added to the to the project here. So then if I open it, it's going to download it. I go into my downloads, and it's there, and you can see that we've got this document here that is all populated with everything that is within the project. So now you've basically got a quote that you can really quickly send to the client. So all you need to do really is add those figures and the details, and these fields will be pulled from the customer. We haven't got that set up here, and then you can PDF this. You can PDF it from within the system as well, and you can send that over to the client.